Ngayon guys, mag-upload na tayo. Maglalaro tayo, The Man from the Window. Tara. Please naman subscribe. Pag nakita nyo yung natakot ako dito. Ano yan? Ang tuma naman! May tao bang wala ko yan natin? Ngayon guys, ewan ko ano gagawin ko dito. Basta, ewan ko. Basta tingnan ko lang. Mas laruin. E na, si Big Mom mag-uupo na. Ano to? Ang ingin nito. Ikaw na. Hello, Little Junior. Junior! Mamarangit. Nom 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 na. Ang libro yan. Na. May libro pala to. Ewan ko ano yung gawin dito eh. Okay, The Man from the Window. Yung libro. Tingnan natin. Basahin natin. The man from the window is quite that and follow with his big body, eyes, and sunken nose. Why he just wants to say hello. And he smiled from ear to ear. The man wanders the quiet night. Through alleys and backyards, he goes making very sure to stay out of sight. Huwag nyo na yung sabihin guys, huwag nyo tarangin na shit. He silently peers through windows, searching for one thing, and one thing only. A new friend. All he needs, all he wants. For the noon man is very, very lonely. Once, once you hear his tapping, oh, at the window, you'll know he's found a new friend to play. For now, you have only 5 minutes before he takes you away. But do not fret. What? But do not fret, for staying in one place is the man's only peeve. Ewan ko pero, ewan ko. I don't know. Keep him at keep him at bay for another 5 minutes, and he'll he'll leave. The man will walk, then he will reach the place under the mirror is where he will search. The man indeed is very, very bold. Soon he will check inside the place, which is called. The man has no friends, no family, no son, and no daughter. Next, he will check the place which holds water. The man is in his element, doing what he does best. Next, he will look under the place where you often rest. The man has no use for ringgit or taken. He will